Why do people dream? No, we're not talking about people aspiring to become famous or to buy a mansion. What we mean is the literal sense of dreaming, that thing we do when we go to sleep. It is one of the most common things humans automatically do, yet somehow, a lot of us really don't know why we do it. We will give a short, but clear explanation of why we dream. But before we do, please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel. It will inspire us even more to create fun and informative videos just for you. Experts on sleep say that a sleep cycle comes in two parts, REM sleep and non-REM sleep. REM stands for rapid eye movement. Non-REM is when your body starts falling asleep, with your breathing becoming more rhythmic as you fall deeper into slumber. Then you enter REM sleep where dreaming happens. At this stage, your body also starts producing glycine, a neurotransmitter that temporarily paralyzes your body. It essentially keeps your voluntary muscles, such as the arms and legs, from moving, so that you won't act your dream out and possibly hurt yourself or the person sleeping beside you. The sleep experts also believe that it's our forebrain that produces our dreams, and these dreams are the result of our imagination, which means a combination of our wishes, abstract thoughts, and memories that are kept deep inside our brain. Scientists label dreams as hallucinations because they really don't make sense, possibly because they are created by the emotional centers of the brain instead of the logical centers. So why do we dream? While researchers still have differing opinions on the subject, they at least have agreed on certain theories and beliefs. One is that by dreaming, we are able to confront the emotional dramas in our lives that in our waking hours, we wouldn't dare to do because they're simply illogical. Dreams are also our brain's way of getting us ready to deal with a certain threat that we face during our waking hours. When we sleep, the part of the brain that is associated with our survival instinct, called the amygdala, is most active. Thus, our brain may be preparing us for an aggressive neighbor, a demanding supervisor, or the possibility of being evicted from our home. This makes sense since the amygdala is also responsible for our fight or flight response. It's a good thing that when we dream, our muscles are kept at a relaxed state, otherwise, we may run or punch someone in our sleep. We dream also to unleash our creative tendencies. Since there are no restrictions on our thoughts and ideas when we sleep, creative ideas can be brought up from deep within our brain. It's the reason why artists and other creative people tend to say they came up with their outstanding work because they have dreamt it. Of course, we also know that not all dreams are pleasant. We even have a term for a bad dream, nightmare. Experts believe nightmares are the result of anxiety, stress, or the body's reaction to some medications. Occasional nightmares are common to a lot of people. Persistent nightmares, on the other hand, are considered as a sleep disorder. According to the American Sleep Association, 5% of Americans suffer from such a condition. So, that's why we dream. Before we end this video, there's one more question that we know a lot of you have been eager to ask. Why do we forget most dreams immediately after waking up? Experts think it's because dreaming, along with mind wandering, is not recognized by the brain as activities that need focused thought, unlike when we are studying or watching a movie or reading a book. So the brain simply has a very slight grasp on it and thus easily loses it. There are dreams, however, that are so vivid, beautiful, or simply so weird that they capture the attention of our brain and therefore retain longer. That's why we remember them. We hope you have enjoyed this new episode of AHA. So that's why. If you do, please like our video And do subscribe to our channel so you'll get your daily dose of fun and informative videos. Thanks for watching.